Okay, so I will write here again CSS call my user file. I will my user. I'll write here dot my user. Inside that we can write call width, not width, right margin 20 pixel, padding margin 2%, you write 2%, as well as padding also you write somewhere 1%, and display colon in a line block, and after that font size 25 px, font size 25 px, then sequence just look like this. Okay, how many are coming in one line? Depends. Since we are not given the width, so multiple will come. Now write the width also. Somewhere how much width we took? 6%. So remaining is 19%. Width 19%. Width 19%. Then 4 will come in one line. Right? Something similar. How many are coming in one line? 4 or 5. CSS is your own wish. How you have written, you can manipulate it. Write CSS for my user. Okay, working. Now come for the second one. In the second case, we have, what is the function name? JSON2. So write a next function called JSON2. तो कल हमने बड़ा समझाया था लोगों को, एक सब चीज मैं समझाया था, वीडियो है आज भेजेंगे, उसका लास्ट पोर्शन देखिएगा। वीडियो में जो है ना लास्ट पोर्शन, लास्ट वाला, लास्ट 15 मिनट्स, ठीक है, उसमें हमने एक एक लाइन का मीनिंग समझाया, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, हाउ इट इज वर्किंग, हाउ द सर्वर रिस्पॉन्स। ओके, कम नाउ फंक्शन JSON2. In JSON2 we will read the data from JSON file only, but it will be array of object something. So write the function to JSON2. JSON 2, inside the JSON 2, we can keep the same code. Get file we have. In get file, we have some code, same original Ajax code you can take and add here. The main Ajax code you have, you can add here. Right? Now after that, you will call here something book.json. Call another file book.json. Okay, call the file book.json. Inside the book.json file, book.json. Inside the book.json, write multidimensional array, key property both in double quote. ID 1, name, JavaScript, number value can be without double quote also, but property must be in double quote. The rupees 300. Then next is 50y colon quantity number 310. So name, price, quantity. First keep for one product, one book. Okay, ready? Now copy the same book, paste 3-4 times, change the name, price. Okay, last should not have comma. First you can modify the quantity itself. $300, $400, $500, $200, $100, $700, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine, added. Change the book name. HTML, React, Node, Python, PHP also. So these values we added. These values we added. Yeah, so data is ready. Come to that file again. I will share in the chat also. Same content sent in chat. So this is now in the previous file was single dimensional array. So you printed only one property. Now in this we have multiple. So we have to print all. Name, ID, price, their quantity and all. So come to ajax.js file. In ajax.js file, you are already calling book.js. Okay, let me check. So hope everyone have written book.js file. Okay, now we can see here when we click on second button, can you see the data like this? Second button click, you should see the data like this. All are printing as a text. It's printing like a text as a. Okay, it's a printing like a text. That text we have to convert into array, and from array we have to run the loop and display inside the page. That is called ajax.js file. Now you come and print data. You can replace by something book, let book equal to JSON dot parse. So it will give you the book array. Create a variable again, data equal to, use the let data equal to empty. This is called variable declaration. Which one? Data equal to empty we wrote, it's called a variable declaration. So your variable is declared. Variable is declared. Now Now after that, we need to write a map here. Which one? Book.map binfo, comma index. Binfo is nothing but book info. Now, in the previous example, we have used this one, my user, right? We can use the my user class again. The data plus equal to we can use some division, then close the division, next data plus equal to open the H4 or H5, right inside binfo.name. binfo.name is nothing but which one? Inside the JSON file you have written name. See here you have written call name, price and QTY. So those three you are going to print. So we printed call book name, v name. Below we need to print call price, quantity and ID. V name, price, QTY, then ID, P tab open close, P tab open close, open close, open close. Once the loop is over, again you will call the print data function. After the map, you will call the print data function and inside parse the data. So whichever the content comes from that particular file, data.json file, will convert it into array. After conversion into array, it will display inside the page. No. Is the number called tomorrow after 10:30.
And now I want to register. They will ask for mobile number. 3 years where you are up to 3 years. But you have followed everything. You can call tomorrow that 888 number, info campus number, they will call you.
Okay, now after this, you are able to print the data. Oh, it's coming one after the class we have not used. Division class equal to user. User or my user? My user. Class equal to my user. Then it will display total 4 books in one line. Okay, it's coming by such a big. Okay, because font size we are given big font size. Okay. See, this is called JSON parsing. You read the data from server, convert it into array, and that array again you are running the map and printing inside the page. Check now, working, not working. Okay. Now look at this photo. This photo is giving some sense. Are you getting some idea from this photo? How many JSON file? User.json, book.json, company.json, emp.json. In every JSON file, there will be data. 10 user single dimensional, 10 books single dimensional. Now you have made multi-dimensional. You can use that. Company.json 10 company name, then env.json 10 employee name. After that, you have 4 blocks. So this division we are not making dynamically. You have to create 4 division. Division 1, division 2, division 3. You have to give ID. Okay, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Okay. All 4 should load in one line. All 4 should come in one line. Below the division, there will be button called get data. Once you click on get data, one Ajax function will call. Ajax function will send a request to user.json. From user.json, 10 implied user name will come and that will display under the first block. When we click on second button, request will go to the book.json. From book, some data now is coming, 4, 5. That will come and display the name of book here. Third button click, request will go to another function. That will get the data from company.json. That data will come and display here. So like that, how many? 4 blocks. How many JSON file? 4. That you are not going to mix within this current example. Don't mix here. You will create a separate file. Separate folder. Ajax homework. In Ajax homework, you will create one file index.html and you will create 4 files like this. User.json, book.json, company.json and env.json. Okay, so total 4 files. And you will run the page through live server. Now how we are running through live server? Similar way, you have to run the page through live server. Navigation is not required. In each block, below each block, you will have the buttons. Button click, function will call and display the data inside division. Possible?
Yes,
okay, so after, like you did, no, this one and this one. It's clear. Same thing we have done in the map, where fetch method also. Here, little syntax is different, but this logic remains same. Okay, this logic, only this part is different. What is happening? Okay, and in future also you will not use this method much. You will use much method fetch only. Mostly you will use the fetch. Okay. In the fetch post we have seen put you saw, right? Don't forget that. Remember. Okay. So those will be useful. Okay. So this is one homework that you should try. Okay. Which one? Your wish. Designing is your task. You can use Bootstrap and create a row. Inside the row, create 4 columns. Correct. Below each columns, there will be button. Right after button click, data will get loaded. That is also possible. Ignore Bootstrap. Try writing your own CSS. Will be helpful. Okay. That is the one homework. This is the one homework. Okay. Now after finishing that, this is the next task. This is not React work. It's work of React, but it can be done through JavaScript also. Okay. Like suppose you have the list of books. Yes. List of books we have. We will display the name of the book in the left side. If you click on name, their details should appear in the right side. Name, price, quantity, ID should display in the right side. So what will happen once the page will load? On page load, inside the 3 name of users will come. And on click of this, the data will appear here. But don't look into this today. This we'll see after tomorrow. After finishing this one. After finishing this photo. Okay, I will share in group. Hold on. I'll send it in the group. So we have one. Like 5th standard book, the 5th standard book you are going to learn under the 3rd class only. Not understood. This is the homework of React. That is called extender 5th class book. And we are implementing under the extender 3rd only. That meaning you have better knowledge. That meaning you have the better knowledge. Same photo again I'll give you once you come in React. Okay, after covering some API, one day we'll give this photo. Okay, now based on this technique, read and display. State management and API together. Check now, photo game. Photo should be in your chat. You can. Right? Anyone need this file? I've sent already, no? After that, we have modified this much only. You can use that. Again, we'll see you tomorrow. Little here, there happened 10-15 minutes in between.